Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share my review on Body Herbal Sandal Soap Skin Whitening Therapy. This one is a handmade soap with essential oils. The MRP of this product is 46 rupees. I bought 6 sets of it and I have already used 4 soaps. Let's see the product claims. This soap gives you a fair and flawless complexion. The tree helps work synergetically to lighten the complexion and effectively fade away sun tan and blemishes, granting you a fair, smooth and even skin tone. It contains sandal and turmeric in it. Sandal helps to clear tan and blemishes, hydrates and soothes skin, and turmeric removes blemishes and adds a golden glow to your skin. Let's see the ingredients. They have mentioned the key ingredients of this soap: sandal extract, turmeric extract, olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil derivative and water. The shelf life of this product is 3 years. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful cardboard packaging. Inside again, this soap is wrapped in a plastic cover. As you can see, this soap is in orange color. Its fragrance is really very nice, but it is little strong. It lathers very well. After washing with this soap, your skin feels very fresh. I have been using this soap from 2 months. It cleanses your skin very well and removes all the dirt and impurities from your skin. It also removes excess oil from skin. If you have oily skin, this soap is really good. For normal and oily skin people, this soap is more suitable. Even for dry skin people, this one is good in summers, but in winters you need to use a moisturizer after using this soap. It feels a little dry. My skin is little dry. Sometimes I feel a bit dry after using this soap, so I make sure to apply a moisturizer after using this one. When coming to the claims of this soap, removing blemishes and giving a fair, smooth complexion, it definitely gives your skin an even skin tone. Your skin also feels smooth after using this soap. But coming to the blemishes, I don't think it will remove it like a magic. But definitely it will help to fade it a little bit. It also helps to remove the immediate tan. But stubborn tan cannot be removed that easily by this soap. Overall, this soap is really good for people with normal and oily skin people. Especially in summers, it helps a lot. People who sweat a lot can try this soap. But this soap does not last very long. As it is a handmade soap, it finishes off in 10 days. Overall, I like this product. But for dry skin people, I don't recommend this product. Hope you guys find this review helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.